right, you two. Today we find the golden acorn.
Wish us luck finding that sunshine.
Come on, Pip. You can do it. Squeak, follow my boots. Watch. That's it. Just like that.
This entire video was created with a free AI tool. No camera, no experience, and no editing. And the best part, you only need one prompt to create this entire video. You can create up to 30-minute long videos with this free AI tool. All you require is just your one prompt that will provide you the consistent character and also provide the audio for the entire video. Let's go so that I can teach you how to do so. In Google, type in Video Inu, then go ahead and click on the link. Once you get to Video Inu, you can either sign up with Google or sign up manually by typing in your email and requesting for 6-digit verification code. It will be sent to your email. Then you can now click on Login, which will simply take you directly to Video Inu. Once you get to this interface in Video Inu, you can explore by looking at all the different tools they have: text to video, animation video, cinematic video, text to video. Where you need to stop is this animation video. Click on create, and then the first thing you do is title your project. I'll just click on title project and title my project Lily and her 2 ducks. So once I'm done typing and saving my title, I'm just going to go ahead and paste my prompt, which is very important because it is this prompt that will give Video Inu the direction of where your video is going. I'm simply going to ask Video Inu to give me a short story about Lily in an adventure with her 2 little dogs. Do not forget to ask Video Inu to make the characters consistent. Next, click on Smart Script. Here you can either choose between Smart Script and Basic Script, and the major difference is that Smart Script is free and Video Inu gets to decide what to do with your story, and for Basic Script it is obedient to your instruction. Click on 3D cartoon to choose your style of cartoon. Here you can select your style of cartoon. You can either choose the 3D or the kid cartoon or whatever cartoon style you want. I prefer the kid cartoon, and then you can just go through the cartoons to see all of your options. So when I'm done, I'm just going to click on confirm, and next I'm going to click on the duration of my cartoon video. Here is one of the mind-blowing things about Video Inu. You can either choose 60 seconds, 1 minute, up to 30 minutes. This AI tool enables you to make video up to 30 minutes. All you need to do is just type in your short prompt and you are good to go. But for this video, I'm going to choose 30 seconds. Next, I'm going to choose my aspect ratio. This is a YouTube video, so I'm going to choose landscape. But if your destination is TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, you can choose portrait. Next, I'm going to decide the language I want. You can either use Spanish, English, French. Well, for this video, I'm going to be using English language. I'm going to confirm English language and then go ahead and click on create to start my video. Now it has started creating my video. It will go ahead and give me the synopsis and the script, so you read through it if it's something that you like, and to also go ahead and give me the cast, which is Lily and her dogs. Just be patient and you'll see these amazing characters that it has generated for me. You can see how beautiful and eye-catching my characters are. When you scroll down, you can see the script and the scenes of your video. Because this is a 30 seconds video, you can generate up to 30 minutes, don't forget, but this is a 30 seconds video, so it's only generated 2 scenes for me. Once you're satisfied with everything, you can either preview your storyboard, which will cost you more credit, or generate. I will just go ahead and click on generate. You can see it has started creating my storyboard, which will only take a few minutes to generate. It will also go ahead at this point to generate the video for me. You can see it is now generating the storyboard. As you can see that the videos have started appearing, but they are not fully done. Now video is done with the first storyboard. You can see it is showing complete, and if you scroll down you can see that the second storyboard is completed as it's showing complete, but it is still generating this third storyboard. So I'm just going to wait for it to do so. Now it has completed this third storyboard. It will move on to the next stage, which is putting all of my storyboard into a complete video. You also have to be patient for this one for a few minutes. Now it is done. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the video. Please, if you are still watching up to this point, do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment for me. Thank you so much. Now that it has generated the video, I'm just going to go ahead and click on it to take a listen. Once you listen to it and you are satisfied with what the video has done, you can just go ahead and click on save to download. Now it will bring you to this interface where you can just click on download and it will go ahead and download your video. As you can see, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.